Right, yeah. Oliver Preston coming down the hill. Hello guys, welcome to another video. We enjoyed. Please say Oliver.
We found this in our toy box, which we're going to ride it down to the hill.
Yes, and Oliver just did it. So now we're going to do first person. Well, he's going. No, let me do it.
Right.
If you can.
Watch this, people.
This is what it's like. Sorry we're in this from you. It's just we couldn't do it, so we're just doing this food for now. So doing that. No, give me that. Well, that's very useful. So we're going to set you off, guys. And all of them. What the hell? You just took a photo. You took a photo. Right, ready, steady. There we go. So let it go. That was it. That was the. Oh my god, I'm sorry. It's blind. I'm blind. Oh, just joking, guys.
Now let's see what it's like for this guy. Let's see what it's like going down this hill.
Ready?
Basically, it's
Just throw it. Wow.
Whoa.
Wow. So now we're going to do hopefully soon some Minecraft videos, are we, Oliver? Some Minecraft videos. Soon. So leaking the drink section. If you want another video, we need at least 200 likes. That's just 10
Right,
because there's that.
Right, guys.
5 likes.
End of funny.
But we're just going to have Oliver holding. Here's a blooper. Oliver. Oh,
Hello, guy. Right, George, what's just wrong, George? Right, hello, guy.
that's what it's like, Oliver Stroke. Scott. Right, now we're going to see what it's like Oliver falling off
the video.
No.